Hello, let's learn some Japanese words using haiku by Basho, who was born in 1644. These are some of the kanji that we're going to be learning that are included in this beautiful haiku. Like this one is the Ariso that's mentioned, and that's umi for sea. Here we see the Ariso Umi that's mentioned in the haiku, and this is what we're going to learn. We're going to learn a lot of words using a very simple haiku and a very famous haiku. So the haiku goes, wase no kaya, wase no kaya, wakeiru migi wa, Ariso Umi. So these are all the kanjis we're going to learn, and you use them a lot in conversation, so they'll be good, very good kanjis to know. The translation, rough translation of this, you can find many translations, but it will be the fragrance of early ripening rice pushing through the fields on the right, migi, here's kanji for the right, Ariso Umi, the Ariso Sea. So let's study each one of these kanjis and learn them and try to remember them. So the first line that it says wase no, let's go back here, wase no kaya, wase no kaya, it's the first line, wase no kaya. Let's see it amplified, wase no kaya, early rice smell. Remember when you see the ya, it means and. So wase no kaya, and the wase part is the rice. Here we have the early and then rice, the aroma and. So let's see this. The wase has two kanjis. Early for hayai. Early can be written with this kanji or with this hayai, which is the opposite of osoi or okure, which is late. So this is early rice. Wase. Wase. Early rice. Here we see a beautiful stone with the haiku, and here you see the wase no kaya, but here they wrote it in hiragana. Wase can be written in hiragana or katakana, or it was written in hiragana or kanji, I mean. So wase no kaya. So the ka is the aroma, so the aroma of early rice, and the kanji by itself, it's read kaori, kaori, which is the aroma, the scent. And this kanji, you can see it, for example, in kusui, and I love kusui, I love perfume, which is fragrant, and misu, water, has these two kanjis. So here by itself we read it wase no kaya, by itself kaori. The perfume is kosui, and another where you can see this kanji is Hong Kong, like the Hong Kong part of China. So is the fragrant harbor, a port. So that would be Hong Kong. That's just a few examples of where you can see kaori, the fragrant. The next line, the wakeiru, wakeiru. This is the same sign that you see for minutes or for wakarimasu. This is the same as kanji, but here for wakeiru, migi wa, wakeiru is to push one way through the crowd. So wakeiru migi wa. And the wakeiru has this, and it has the iru, the iri kanji to enter wakeiru migi wa. And migi is the right hand. Hidari will be the left. So wakeiru migi wa will be the next line. And then Ariso umi, the sea of Ariso. You see the kanji for aru, to have or to be, for inanimate. It will be imas for animate objects. And then you see the iso, which is a beach. So Ariso. Even though originally it seems that the it came from meaning a rough sea. So iso is like we see here in this beautiful picture, it's a rocky beach. So the Ariso. But originally it came from ara, probably, instead of this ara, meaning rough, and that's the kanji. But that doesn't matter, it's just the Ariso Sea. So now we have seen all the kanjis. So now you can memorize the kanjis or memorize this beautiful haiku. Wase no kaya, wakeiru migi wa, ariso umi. The smell of the early rise and passing through on the right, the Ariso Sea. Okay, I hope you learned something new and something interesting, and I'll see you next time. Jamata, gambatte kudasai.